Very good evening to all. On behalf of NISM, I wish you all a very happy Women's Day and warmly welcome for today's webinar on financial planning for women. I am Neha Deshmukh, working with NISM. On this special occasion of Women's Day, we are honored to have an esteemed industry speaker with us to lead today's session. We are honored to have with us Dr. Rachna Date, Director at Quest Education Training and Learning Solution. Before we begin, let me allow to give a quick introduction to our speaker. Dr. Rachna Dati is a founder director at Quest Education Training and Learning Solution. She is an internationally awarded motivator, academician, and trainer dedicated to empowering society. Her articles on self-improvement, soft skill, and career guidance are featured in top newspaper and e-magazines. Dr. Rachna is employed as security market trainer by SEBI since year 2021, resource person and trainer at NISM, SCAI, NCDEX, and NSE. She has conducted various financial literacy workshop and investors awareness program through online and offline platform. She is a certified skill trainer and an international certified career coach. An alumnus of IIM Indore, she is a management postgraduate specialized in finance and marketing, having doctoral degree. She was one of the female speaker for Azadi Ka Amrut Mahotsav. Dr. Rachna has professional experience of over 23 years in the corporate and academic world. Her exposure has been in both domestic and international professional environment. She's an expert faculty for finance, personality development, and corporate communication, mentoring individuals from various backgrounds. Dr. Rachna is passionate about advancing educational practices through dynamic teaching methodologies and cutting-edge research. So once again, a warm welcome to ma'am for today's webinar. Some important announcement for the participant. We will take all the questions at the end of the webinar. So please write your questions in Q&A board. All the participants will receive participation certificate within 3 to 4 days. The recording of this session will be available on the NISM YouTube channel. So now, without further delay, I would like to hand over this session to our speaker. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Neha madam. Thank you so very much and welcome all. Wishing you all a very happy Women's Day. So, financial planning for women. Let us take it further. I'm going to start with this. Yatra narisya tu पूज्यते रम्यते तत्र देवता. जहाँ नारी की पूजा होती है वहाँ देवता वास करते हैं. हमारे शास्त्रों में लिखा गया है. नारी शक्ति है, सम्मान है. नारी गौरव है, अभिमान है. नारी जननी है, संस्कृति के प्राण है. देव स्वरूपा नारी को शत शत प्रणाम है. अंतर्राष्ट्रीय महिला दिवस के अवसर पर आप सभी पूज्य महिलाओं को मेरा नमन एवं प्रणाम. यहाँ से आगे बढ़ते हुए प्लानर्स तो हम सभी होते हैं. वी ऑल वुमेन आर वेरी गुड प्लानर्स. बट व्हाट अबाउट द फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग? जब फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग की बात आती है तब हम थोड़ा सा पीछे हो जाते हैं. अ गुड फाइनेंशियल प्लान, पहले तो जरूरी है ये जानना कि फाइनेंशियल प्लान है क्या. सो अ गुड फाइनेंशियल प्लान इज अ रोड मैप दैट शोज अस एग्जैक्टली हाउ द चॉइसेस वी मेक टुडे विल अफेक्ट आवर फ्यूचर. आज जो हम फाइनेंशियल चॉइसेस बना रहे हैं, हम जो निर्णय ले रहे हैं, वो फ्यूचर को हमारे किस तरीके से प्रभावित करेगा. I do have very simple questions for you all. आपको करना यह है, सेशन को इंटरैक्टिव बनाए रखना है, तो आप चैट बॉक्स का यूज कीजिए क्वेश्चन आंसर के समय और इस समय भी. अभी बहुत सिंपल से क्वेश्चन है, आपको Y and N करके इसे आंसर करना है. जस्ट Y लिखेंगे अगर आपका आंसर इस क्वेश्चन के लिए यस है, और अगर नहीं है तो आप इसे N करेंगे. एंड जस्ट लुक and think about your answers. That is going to give you many insights. First question. Do you take your financial decisions on your own? I want the answers on the chat box. Please do it for me and for you. Very good. I'm so happy that most of you are writing yes. Why? Lovely. So proud of you all. My next question, that is the second question. Are you capable of addressing unique financial challenges all by yourself? क्या आप केपेबल हैं कुछ ऐसे यूनिक फाइनेंशियल चैलेंजेस अगर आ जाते हैं तो उन्हें सॉल्व करने के लिए उनके सामने खड़े होने के लिए? देखिए, एक बहुत ही बेसिक फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग प्रोग्राम और प्रेजेंटेशन है और बहुत ही बेसिक से सवाल है, पर ये हमें बहुत अच्छा इंसाइट देंगे हमें समझने में। आइदर वी आर केपेबल ऑफ डूइंग और एड्रेसिंग यूनिक फाइनेंशियल चैलेंजेस ऑल बाय योरसेल्फ। आपके आंसर्स आ रहे हैं, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। कुछ कुछ लोगों ने यस लिखा है, कुछ नहीं भी हैं आंसर्स। वेरी गुड, बी ऑनेस्ट विथ योरसेल्फ। आर यू एबल, थर्ड क्वेश्चन, आर यू एबल टू डेवलप योर फाइनेंशियल प्लान योरसेल्फ? अब तीसरा क्वेश्चन है कि क्या आप अपना फाइनेंशियल प्लान खुद बना सकते हैं, खुद डेवलप कर सकते हैं? अगर यस तो वाई, अगर नो तो एन। ओके, lovely. I'm so proud that most of you are writing yes. There are few no's as well. Okay, coming to the next question. How many financial instruments products do you know and understand? 1, 2, 3, 4. Just write the names if you can quickly. How many financial investment products you know and really understand? Okay, I do have few answers over here. Okay. Thank you for the participation. Thank you so very much. So based on these understanding, we are moving further. Are you aware about the opportunities and risk associated with the investment plans? जो इन्वेस्टमेंट प्लान्स हैं उनको लेकर अपॉर्चुनिटीज जो वो प्रोवाइड करते हैं, रिस्क प्रोवाइड करते हैं, रिस्क एसोसिएटेड जो है उनके साथ, क्या आपको उनके बारे में पता है? अगेन यस और नो विल डू द जस्टिस. Okay, I'm so happy that you are all are so interactive. Fine. So there are many people who know about it, who don't know about it. There are few no answers and many yes answers. I'm really happy and proud that there are many yes answers to the questions I have asked. See, planning we all know. You already know what is planning. Planning is important. Now what is more important is making financial plan and regular investment. This is what which is very, very important. It is not about having lot of money, but it is knowing about how to manage it. That is the catch in financial planning. Financial planning is very, very important for women because it empowers us to make and to take the control of our financial future, ensuring us the stability. By managing savings, investments, retirement planning wisely, we can protect ourselves from any of the future financial uncertainties, and along the way, we can even achieve our goals. We can finance our own education, further education, higher education. We can have the home ownership, we can do our retirement plannings, and we can even support our families. What is more important is financial planning do promotes the independence, helping women to make the informed decisions, and this way it additionally fosters the confidence. This is very, very important. On your screen, you can see few of the facts from the research report. I'm going to read it for you all. In India, 51% of women are either investing their money at all or not aware of investment in their name. Even if the investments are in their name, they don't know about the investments. Only 2 out of 100 women invest for their retirement. This is alarming. 92% of women said they do not access to any of the financial investment related websites. Again, alarming. 63% prioritized family security and child education as the primary drivers for their investments. 58% women had no insurance, life or health, car cover in their name, and 49% women invest in traditional instruments, and 73 were saving less than 20% of their income. These are the research reports from the latest research carried on. One of the research also says that women respondents are more worried about different financial matters rather than financial planning. The top worries and their scores are on your screen. They are like worried about paying the rent, paying the cost of normal health care, normal monthly bills, so on and so forth. So, although women are worried about finances, the financial matters which are there on your board, but they are less worried about the financial planning. So, why financial independence is very important for women? First, financial literacy amongst the women do impact every one of us. Financial independence of women is very, very important. There are individual benefits as well, like higher self respect, better living standards, higher financial securities, and they are less prone to discrimination once you do have the financial independence. And definitely, there are few other societal benefits like a role model for the generation next or the next generation. You contribute towards higher GDP. There is a less gender bias. The society becomes more progressive and it becomes more safer and healthier society. So overall, we do have so many of benefits once woman is financially independent. And to become independent, we need to take the first step, that is a financial planning. So, why financial planning is important? I'll just sum it up. It is not only a source of confidence but also gives women the credibility to participate in the important matters of decision making for themselves and their families. Yes, it gives us the confidence, it gives us the right, and we hold the strong step while we are participating into any of the important decisions relating to ourselves, relating to our families. A very simple mantra of financial planning is earn money, first you save and invest that money, and then you spend that money. This is a simple mantra for financial planning. So, we are going to have all the planning aspects based on this particular Guru mantra. That is, we earn, we save, invest first, and then we spend. Let us understand the basics of financial planning. First, and most important, create a budget and always, always, always stick to it. It is a foundation of financial planning. Once you do have a budget, you do have a certain roadmap to follow. It helps to track income as well as your expenses. Now, here the goal is to find a balance where you can save a proportion of your income every month. What are the little pockets where you can save? And this gives you a little clear roadmap of all those things. Second, set very clear financial goals. Now, these financial goals, many a times or most of the times, should always match your life goals, or a vice versa, you can say. First, you need to clearly define your goals, life goals, and financial goals. And see, these two should match. Goals can be short term, they can be long term, they can be relating to any of the emergency fund. Goals can take various names. So, identifying goals gives a roadmap, a better, clear picture of the roadmap to follow, and to make it easier to decide how much money should be saved as well as invested. The third comes invest early and wisely. जल्दी शुरू करें तो हमेशा अच्छा है. Start by understanding different types of investments which are available to you, and understand each option has its own risk and reward. Even if you are starting early, you are starting investment early, but it should always be wisely chosen investment options. Therefore, I have said start understanding different types of investments available to you, and understand each option has its own risks as well as rewards. The thumb rule of investing is the earlier you start, the more benefit from the power of compounding. There's a little story over here I can share with you all. There was a king who was very fond of playing chess. Chess खेलने का उन्हें बड़ा शौक था और ओपन इनविटेशन होता था उन्हें खेलने, पूरी प्रजा को जो भी उनके साथ आए और वो खेल सकता था. एक बार एक महान पंडित उनके पास आते हैं और कहते हैं, राजन, मैं आपके साथ खेलना चाहता हूँ, पर बात केवल इतनी सी है कि जितने भी चाल में चलूंगा उतने चावल के दाने और अगले चाल के लिए उससे डबल चावल के दाने आपको मुझे देने होंगे. द किंग वॉज रेडी फॉर इट. अरे चावल के दाने ही तो हैं. एंड देखिए, बाय द टाइम इनका गेम खत्म हुआ, राजा के अनाज के भंडार जो थे वो खाली हो चुके थे. तो ये है पावर ऑफ कंपाउंडिंग. So the power of compounding is very magical, and it is definitely essential to have the long term goals with the long term investment options, and this only give can really benefit you with the power of compounding and with the wealth creation. Get insured, very very important. It is an essential part of financial planning. Women, don't forget to get yourself insured. It is essential part of your financial planning. Health insurance definitely is critical to cover the medical emergencies. We all have gone through the tough time of corona, and now we do know the benefits of and the need and the necessity of health insurance. Life insurance is important, especially in case of dependents. If we do have some people, the family members who are dependent on us, definitely we should have the life insurance as well. Insurance provides a safety net for the self and the family in the time of crisis. Build an emergency fund. It is important. We need to build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable and unexpected expenses can happen at any point of time. कभी भी लाइफ में कुछ भी हो सकता है. फ्यूचर अनप्रेडिक्टेबल है और हमारी लाइफ भी अनप्रेडिक्टेबल है. अनएक्सपेक्टेड एक्सपेंसेस आ सकते हैं किसी भी समय. सो इमरजेंसी फंड बना के रखना बहुत जरूरी है. हैविंग एन इमरजेंसी फंड इज एसेंशियल. व्हाई? टू अवॉइड द नीड टू बोरो. उस समय आपको कहीं बाहर जाके बोरो ना करना पड़े पैसा और आपके इन्वेस्टमेंट्स में से निकालना भी ना पड़े. इसलिए अलग से एक इमरजेंसी फंड जो है वो आप हमेशा बना कर रखें. दिस इज अ सेफ्टी नेट which ensures the peace of mind and prevents financial stress during the tough times. Plan your retirement. See, all of us are going to plan at a certain age. And there's a fixed retirement age for all the working professionals. It may be 60, 62, 61, or 65. But yes, there is a fixed retirement age for all the working professionals. It is essential to have a retirement plan which must be implemented at an early age. मैंने कहा कि जितने जल्दी और वाइजली हम इन्वेस्ट करना शुरू करेंगे ना, उतने बेनिफिट्स हमें मिलेंगे. जितने जल्दी आप रिटायरमेंट प्लान्स में इन्वेस्ट करना शुरू करेंगे, हो सकता है आप अर्ली रिटायरमेंट भी ले लें. सो द अर्लियर वी स्टार्ट अवर रिटायरमेंट प्लान, हायर रिटर्न्स विल बी देयर. नाउ, as we have understood what the financial plan or what the components of financial plans are, it is equally important to understand and to know on a very basic level that what are the various financial products which are available to us. So I'll take you further. Let us understand and let us see what are the various financial products or the investment products which are available to us. I'll start with a very simple one, that is the bank fixed deposits. Now, these are the most common type of the investment vehicles in India, and it offers the fixed rate of interest on our principal amount. The interest rate is not very high, and same becomes the component of the risk. Risk is also low. With guaranteed fixed returns, flexible maturity periods, these are one of the most sorted out, most loved investment options which is available to us, and they do provide the liquidity also. See, before going into the investments, I want to let you know and to talk little about how the investments should be. First, you should understand the investment product very well. Should understand how easy and convenient it is for you to invest into these products. How easy it is to get money out of your investment at the time of emergencies or when you want it. So there should be the liquidity factor with it. It should be very well regulated, and your investment should be a safe investment. So these are the basic things when you are looking at the different type of investment products. Then I come to the public provident fund, again very common and very sorted out, loved investment product when we women are doing our financial planning. So public provident fund is another fixed income saving scheme which is started by Government of India. Now, under this scheme, the interest on your principal investment is paid by the government. The risk is low, returns are definitely as compared to the risk. Maturity dates are fixed. But there are tax benefits, and definitely we can take the loan against the public provident fund. So, and it is very, very safe option to invest. Then coming to the bonds. Bonds are another fixed income instrument which yields return at a fixed rate of interest. Now, these can be issued by any corporates or by the government of India. When you are talking about bonds, the risk is always on the lower side, and the chances that the issuer party may default is definitely on the minimum side. So risk, reward on the lower side, very, very safe, fixed period, and liquidity is there, but there is a lock-in period in few of the bonds. Coming to the next thing, that is stocks. Would really like to talk about the stocks. Now, these refers to the equity investments made in any of the companies. But when you buy the stock of the company, the essential part is that you also get the ownership into that company. This is something which is very, very important, and when we are talking about the stocks. But when you are investing into stocks, you need to have a very deep knowledge and understanding of the financial markets, and then only you can get benefited by these investments. Risk and return definitely on a little higher side. There is liquidity. You need to have a demat account, a trading account, and a bank account for investing into the stock market. Coming to the mutual fund, this is the most loved investment product by the women in today's time. So mutual fund investment is considered to be one of the best investment option available in the market today. There are many type of mutual fund catering to various needs and categories. Investors need not invest in the lump sum. Even if you want to invest in the lump sum, it's fine, पर आप इसे 500 या इवन 100 रुपए से भी शुरू कर सकते हैं. आप छोटे से अमाउंट से म्यूचुअल फंड में SIP के थ्रू इन्वेस्ट करना शुरू कर सकते हैं. Liquidity is there, it is well regulated. Risk and return depending upon the type of mutual fund you are investing it into. Then there are special mutual funds as well, which are beneficial when you are looking for the tax benefits as an into the investments. Coming to the next thing, that is the National Pension Scheme. National Pension Scheme is a saving scheme administered and regulated by PFR, PFRDA. It pulls money from numerous investors like you and me and invests this corpus in various equities and debt securities, and thereby generating the returns, and we all are benefited by that. Again, here, NPS account can be opened by any of the citizens of India who is between the age of 18 to 60 years and it can be extended. That is, the maturity of account happens at the age of 60, but it can be extended up to the 70 years of age. Partial withdrawals are permissible up to 25%, and definitely only after 3 years of your account opening. Coming to the exchange traded funds. Now, these funds do have the mutual benefits of mutual funds as well as the stocks. So they are tax efficient also. They give you the relatively lower asset management fees is attached to the exchange traded funds, and definitely they are managed funds, again just like the mutual funds, but they are traded on the stock exchange. Coming to the other things, which is in the name of gold. We women love gold. We love to invest into gold. But what we are talking today is gold in the form of ETFs, gold in the form of gold bonds, gold in the form of mutual funds. These are less riskier as compared to the physical gold. And definitely there are certain real estate investments which you can make. So these are all the different type of investments, and yes, we can definitely invest into various products, assessing first what risk they do have, how much risk bearing capacity or the ability do I have, and yes, how much I can invest into it. And we should always keep our investments diversified, not all the money into one investment. Our investment should look like a beautiful, colorful bouquet of the investments, where we do have various investments, but the ground is that how much I understand the investment. If you don't understand the investment option or the product, please understand about the investment product and then go forward with the investment process. Second, understand the risk which are associated with the investment products. It is very, very important to know. So have your own research, invest time into understanding the investments, see the regulators, whether the investment and the intermediaries are regulated or not regulated, and then only we should go forward. And one thing, you can even choose, after having all these exercises, you can choose your investment products based on your financial goals, because there is, in few of the investment products, there's a lock-in period, and there are few products which are better if you invest into these products for a longer period of time. Then the returns are handsome. So choose your investment products as per your goals. Additionally, you need to remember few things. Now, what are these things which you need to remember? First, that is, always avoid debt trap. Never ever invest taking loans or आप लोन लेकर और इन्वेस्टमेंट कभी नहीं करेंगे. इन्वेस्टमेंट हम हमेशा सेविंग्स से करते हैं. सेकंड, डेफिनेटली you need to have a very solid retirement plan. रिटायरमेंट प्लानिंग आज से करना जरूरी है. एक्सपेक्टेड लाइफ इंडियन वुमेन का इंडियन मेन से रिसर्च कहता है, मैं नहीं कह रही हूँ, ज्यादा है. सो वी टेंड टू लिव लॉन्गर एज कंपेयर टू आ men population of the country, and we need to plan for our retirement for a longer period of time, and to start today is the best time. So early start is a wise start, as I told you earlier. सीक प्रोफेशनल एडवाइस. कहीं ऐसा लगता है कि इन्वेस्टमेंट करते समय, फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग करते समय, इन्वेस्टमेंट प्रोडक्ट सिलेक्ट करते समय आपको कहीं कुछ कंफ्यूजन है, कहीं कुछ ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं जो टिपिकल प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, नहीं समझ रहे हैं, बेटर टेक अ प्रोफेशनल एडवाइस. We can always go and take a professional advice, and this way we can make the smart investments. Always plan for the taxes. जो भी इन्वेस्टमेंट प्रोडक्ट आपने चूज किया है, ऑलवेज ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट व्हाट आर द टैक्स बेनिफिट्स व्हिच आर अवेलेबल टू मी. सो दिस वे यू कैन इवन have the tax planning along with the financial planning. So financial planning and tax planning goes hand in hand. And as I told you, you should always diversify your investment, so that अगर किसी एक particular investment में कभी कुछ नुकसान होता है तो दैट इज बीइंग nullified या lower down by another investment product. So always try to diversify your investment, and for that it is very important that you should be very careful while investing. You should understand the product well, और कौन से aspects से product को understand करना है ये मैंने आपको बताया अभी. Next and the foremost thing is try to find out. You should always find out, not try, you should always understand and know the financial intermediaries who is working there. Are these intermediaries SEBI registered or not? And all the things relating to the intermediaries you will get on the SEBI's website. Always try to get all these points while you are making an investment. Avoid the debt trap. Never ever do that. Try to save and invest through your saved money. Second, start early on your retirement planning. This I am specially telling to all the women out there. Third, if you don't understand the product, please seek the professional advice, understand, and have your own research along with that. Plan for the taxes. This definitely helps you to save money along with the investment, and diversify your investments. List of women empowerment schemes in India 2025. This is just the list. I'm not going to talk much about it. I'll just read out the schemes, and there are so many sites available over there where you can just visit and understand these particular schemes. These are special schemes which are related to the women empowerment. First and foremost is Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana. I'm not talking much about it because we are running short of time. It is not possible for me to cover each and every scheme, and therefore I have made a list of it so that we can always go, we can search about it and understand. So if you want, you can take the screenshot of it. Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana, Lakpati Didi scheme is there, then Drone Didi scheme, Mission Indradhanush, Mudra Yojana, Thread scheme, Ujjwala Yojana, Stand Up India Mission, Mahila E-Heart scheme, and Mahila Samman saving certificate, which is called MSSC scheme. Now these schemes there are so many different schemes which are focusing on various aspects of women empowerment and working together towards the common women empowerment. You can take the advantage of all those schemes or whichever is applicable to you. You need to search about these schemes, but at least you do have the names over here of all the schemes which are there, which are run by Government of India in the year 2025. Disciplined actions are very, very important. See, financial planning is a discipline, and we, the women, are good planners, are the best planners, I'll say. When planning is there has to be discipline, because without discipline, planning fails or the plan fails. So it is important to have a working knowledge of the financial planning. It is not possible to predict the future. Impossible है ना, हम future predict कैसे करेंगे? But definitely a sound financial plan will help you and your loved ones to tide over the good and the bad. Always try to understand the things, be a disciplined investor. This way your financial plan will work perfectly well. The first step first. Having an idea of where you are and where you really want to go financially is very, very important, and it is the first step. आप आज जहाँ पर हैं और यहाँ से आप कहाँ जाना चाहते हैं, ये जो एक जर्नी है, ये जो एक फाइनेंशियल जर्नी है, इसमें एक एस्पेक्ट और ऐड कीजिए, फाइनेंशियल जर्नी, ये बहुत ज़रूरी है और उसके लिए वो आइडिया होना चाहिए। आइडिया को इम्प्लीमेंट करने के लिए आपके पास प्लान होना चाहिए। That is the financial plan. Learning to invest carefully can become a valuable skill to become financially independent. Yes, it is. Once you have started the learning process of investment and you are very, very careful about it, it definitely becomes an asset to our skills. It is one of the most valuable skill in today's time to become financially independent. So, here's Happy Women's Day to all of you once again. Be a woman dressed with strength, dignity, and pride, and love without the fear of future. Once you are done with the financial planning, definitely there will be less fear, and you can laugh, you can smile, you can dream. Lastly, I really want to add few things, that financial planning is a crucial step for women to secure their future and achieve the true independence. The stepping stone to robust financial planning for women include what I have told you earlier: having a well-defined budget, setting an emergency fund, planning for retirement, tax planning, estate planning, and many more things to it. With these above mentioned simple yet very effective steps for financial planning, you definitely can achieve the financial freedom and security, and can confidently navigate your finances and provide a good life to yourselves and definitely to your loved ones. So, this is from my side on the Women's Day relating to the financial planning. So, if you do have any questions, please use the chat box.
Yes, ma'am. There are some questions in
Yes,
Q&A
yes,
section.
I'm taking it.
Yes, ma'am.
First is will PPT will be shared. Okay. If you can suggest few, I'll take from the. See, what are the some common mistakes you see when it comes to planning by women and how to avoid it? First and the foremost is we don't, or the woman is not very eager to understand the financial products well. So it is very, very important on our part or our behalf to understand the financial product first. Second, should be very, very clear about the goals, your life goals, which should be attached to your financial goals. Once you are with these two things, the navigation becomes a little easier. Then, what I feel why women or what are the most common mistake is having a regular like a check on your investments. Once we are done with the investments, we just tend to forget about those investments. No, it should not be that way. We should keep on at least quarterly or half yearly. We should review our investments, and this way, definitely, we can be a better investors. Proportion of income, how much percent to save, spend as an emergency. Emergency fund should always be at least 3 times or the 4 times. See, when we are talking about the savings and investment and the spending, definitely 25% of your income should be saved and invested. This is taken as a general percentage or accepted like that. Suggest few tax saving mutual fund. Sorry, sir, I cannot suggest you anything on this platform. Ma'am, who can be the investor? Everyone who is above the age of 18 years can be investors. No, I'll never suggest something like that, like selling the existing gold and invest that money into real estate. But then again, it is your personal decision. Many a times there's an emergency, and it all depends upon the individual circumstances and the decisions taken by like an individual based on the particular circumstances. Now, when we are talking even about the investment, one thing which is there, that is like if someone has invested into something, we tend to invest into it. So never ever do that. First, understand your assets, your liabilities, understand and have a very clear view of your incomes and expenses, your family liabilities, the age bracket you belong to, and then choose your investment products wisely. This is what is suggested. Which is the best plan to invest in your perspective, please? See, I belong to a particular age bracket where I'm not ready to take much risk. So I'll plan my investments that way. Age also becomes a very important factor when you are in your early age of investing, maybe in your 20s, you can take much of your risk. Yes, you can take the risk, Khushi. And while you are moving towards the like 30s and 40s, the investment should be a little less riskier. I'm in a age bracket where I'm not ready to take much risk. So, with age your side, you can invest into the riskier products. Returns are good. Although the products are riskier, but the returns get nullified or it gets adjusted, the market volatility gets adjusted with the time. And always, this is for everyone, the best time to invest is today. There are many women. I had 2 sessions before this, and there were women who asked me, "Ma'am, हमारा तो एज हो गया है, अभी हम क्या इन्वेस्ट करेंगे?" No, what I always tell women to any other person that to start investing today is the right day. So start investing today based on definitely again I'm telling you based on your investment, product, information and the knowledge, risk capacity, and definitely how much time you are willing to keep that investment. 2 years, 5 years, more than 5 years. 5 years, whatever you are comfortable with. And one thing, look for the interest rates which are equal to or should be higher to the rate of inflation. That's a basic thing we should always take into consideration. What things ask questions ourselves before starting the financial plan? Which insurance are required for women? See, when we are talking about insurance, health insurance, life insurance are the two insurance which should be like this. No to these insurance. They are like the cushion for the maybe the rainy days. We should never ever. Yes, market seems to be down for the past couple of months. It is bothering much. We will wait and see. Patience is the key when you are investing into stocks. So be patient.
Some questions are in Q&A section.
Okay, I'll go. Ma'am, these are not visible to me. Q&A section.
Next to share switch.
Yes. I know that.
There is no question there.
I'll just go through it again.
Click on that Q&A board. Next to share.
Yes. Okay. There's some, just wait a minute. I'll just go through it. Just with the share, there's pause and there's a note. And
Okay, let me read some of the question.
yes. Please do it because these are not readable by. Yeah, they are not there. If they can just have it on the chat group, that will also do.
Okay, if a woman has his husband who does entire personal finance, then what is the need for woman to know about financial literacy?
If all the decisions are taken by the men of the family, definitely you should be the part and a participant in the decision making process. You should understand, you should know where your husband or the person who is taking care of finances has put your money into. You should understand that products well, and this way you can be the participant into the process of financial decision making.
As a student, which is the best for me investing and higher return?
For you, I can suggest mutual funds are the best one because you can start with as small as like 500 rupees, and few of them can even be started with the 100 rupees. So you can always start with your pocket money, the financial investment product, which is for you is mutual funds through the way of SIP, definitely.
May I have all steps of financial planning at once? I missed it. Can you please brief in
What,
in
ma'am,
the
will you
answer?
please
Financial planning steps.
financial planning step? I'll again take them through the things. See, first, you are earning, and once you are earning, the very first step is to save and invest. not spend. What we usually do, we spend and then save. No, this is not the correct way. We should save first and then spend whatever is left with us. And when we are talking about the steps, first create a budget and always stick to it. Be very, very disciplined. Second, you should always have a very clear goals, financial goals, and it gives you a very, very clear roadmap. Third, invest early and wisely. जितने जल्दी आप शुरू करोगे ना इन्वेस्टमेंट, उतना ज्यादा आपको फायदा होगा। और इन्वेस्टमेंट प्रोडक्ट्स, इन्वेस्टमेंट एवेन्यूज चूज करने से पहले अच्छे से उस प्रोडक्ट के बारे में, उस इन्वेस्टमेंट के बारे में समझिए, पढ़िए, अपना रिसर्च कीजिए, उसके बाद ही इन्वेस्ट कीजिए। उसके साथ साथ आपको ये भी ध्यान रखना है उससे रिलेटेड रिस्क जो है, रिटर्न्स जो है, अगर लिक्विडिटी रिलेटेड कुछ इश्यूज हैं, फिर उसके बाद रेगुलेटर कौन है, ये आपको पता होना चाहिए। दीज आर फ्यू ऑफ द की पॉइंट्स जिससे आप इन्वेस्टमेंट चूज करेंगे। गेट इंश्योर्ड, आपको अपने आप को इंश्योर्ड कराना जरूरी है। ये आपका हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस हो सकता है, ये आपका लाइफ इंश्योरेंस हो सकता है। तो फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग का एक एसेंशियल पार्ट जो होता है वो डेफिनेटली इंश्योरेंस होता है। और उसके साथ साथ इस पूरे प्रोसेस के साथ साथ हमें इमरजेंसी फंड भी तैयार करते रहना है अपने लिए। और एक बात जो हम सभी महिलाएं निग्लेक्ट करती हैं वो होता है रिटायरमेंट प्लानिंग। सो जब हम प्लान बना रहे हैं, जब हम ये प्लानिंग कर रहे हैं, हमने बजट बनाया, हमने प्लान बनाया, अकॉर्डिंगली हमने इन्वेस्टमेंट प्रोडक्ट्स सिलेक्ट किए, इंश्योरेंस बीइंग द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ द फाइनेंशियल प्लान, रिटायरमेंट प्लानिंग भी साथ साथ हमारी होनी चाहिए। सो दीज आर द कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग। ये सारे डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट्स हैं हमारे पास जो हम समझ सकते हैं।
I am a CA student. I want to save for studying abroad, but don't know much about where to invest. So that is secured. Please suggest some.
So when you are talking about the investment for your education, right? You first need to understand and know how much time is with you to go for to pursue your further studies. If you are ready to take the risk, you can always opt for the stock market options, the security market option, that is the stocks and the shares and the equities. But if you are not very comfortable with those risk, you can always go towards the mutual funds. Why I'm talking about the risk factor over here? Because you are pursuing your CA, most probably you must be having 2 to 3 years again with you for pursuing your higher education. So the time period here is very, very important. So plan accordingly, taking time into consideration, you should select your investment products. But when we are comparing these investment options, stocks tend to give better returns.
I have a doubt. Is there any more criteria for opening a demat account for investing a share in shares?
Neha, ma'am, please come out with the question again.
Is there any more criteria for opening a demat account for investing in shares?
No, the criteria is same and the standard criteria is followed. And you need to get your initial documentation done, and your demat account can be very easily open and you can start your investments that way.
Should I withdraw some amount from mutual fund and deposit it into fixed deposit?
Why? If you do have only one investment option, I ask you to have a diversified one. That is what is suggested, to have the diversified investment portfolio. But if you have just mutual funds in your portfolio and you need money in maybe a year or two, then definitely you can. But it is, if you do have various other products in your investment portfolio, why to do that? Because fixed deposits, definitely it is the less riskier option of investment, But if you do have your investment running into the mutual funds, why to withdraw and keep it into the fixed deposits? Because mutual fund is highly liquid. You can withdraw money when you want.
Today in this era, there are a lot of investment sources are available. Still, we go for gold investment. Is it a good decision?
See, women always love to invest in gold. You can invest in physical gold, no doubt we all do. But there are so many other things which are attached to the physical gold. When you are buying it at a higher rate. Second, the purity. Most of the times, although it is guaranteed, but when you are into an emergency, you want to sell that gold, मेकिंग चार्जेस जो हमने दिए हुए हैं उसका कोई मोल नहीं रहता. Again, the purity is at toss and we get lower returns. But you can always opt for other gold options, like you can opt for the gold ETFs, you can go for the bonds, gold bonds, you can even opt for the gold mutual funds.
So I think we have discussed almost all the question which has been asked. So I think we should end this seminar here.
So should I stop sharing the slide, Neha ma'am?
Yes, please, ma'am.
Okay, there was some, I think, problem from my side that the question answer session was not visible. Even now it is visible. See, till
Okay.
now it is visible.
Now I have
Once
taken
I
all the
stopped
questions,
sharing the
ma'am.
slides, now it is visible.
Okay, I have taken all the questions.
Okay.
So thank you very much all for joining today's webinar. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed speaker for sharing her expertise with us. A special thanks to our audience for your participation and engagement. A
Yes,
quick
thanks
reminder for
to the participants as well. And thank you, NISM, for having me as a
A
speaker.
quick reminder for participants, you will get certificate within 3 to 4 days and the webinar recording will be available on NISM YouTube channel. So I officially close today's webinar. Stay connected with us for future webinar. Celebrate Women's Day and have a great evening. Thank you very
Yes.
much.
Once again, a very happy Women's Day to all. And today, just celebrating Women's Day is not enough. We should celebrate ourselves every single day. That is what is my mantra.
Yes, ma'am.
See you.